All right, let's dive into something that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. We're talking about mastering Google Maps. Seriously, by the end of this, you'll be able to find your way from literally anywhere to anywhere else without even breaking a sweat. Let's get right into it.
You know that feeling, right? That little knot in your stomach when you're headed somewhere you've never been before, wondering if you're gonna make a wrong turn. We've all been there. Well, today, we're gonna make that feeling a thing of the past. For good. And here is the secret weapon, Google Maps. Now, don't just think of it as some app on your phone. Think of it more like your own personal guide, a travel expert that lives in your pocket, ready to map out a trip for you whether you're going down the street or all the way across the globe. So, before we get into the nitty-gritty of how you do all this, let's just take a second to appreciate what this thing can actually do. What makes this little digital guide so incredibly powerful? Let's take a peek under the hood. This is where it gets really cool, because it's so much more than just a map. I mean, you need to find a restaurant, a hospital, anything, done. You need it to literally talk you through every single turn so you can keep your eyes on the road. No problem. And here's the best part. It doesn't just find you a way to get there, it finds the best way and even gives you backups. It's the whole shebang. Okay, enough talk. Let's actually do this. We're gonna plan our first trip right now, and you're gonna see just how ridiculously easy it is to get started. This is where the magic happens. Seriously, getting started is this simple. First thing, just open the map. You can just pop open your browser and go to maps.google.com. Step 2, tell it where you're starting from. You can type in your address, or even easier, just let it use your current location. And that's it. You're on the board, ready to go. All right, so the map knows where you are. We've got the "you are here" part sorted. But that's only half the story, right? Now comes the fun part, deciding where you're headed. And boom, here's the payoff. For step 3, you just type in where you want to go. It could be a world wonder like the Taj Mahal, or just the post office down the street. The second you do, this bright blue line just snaps right onto the map. That's your path. It takes all the confusion and turns it into one simple line to follow. But hang on, this is where it gets really smart. See, Google Maps knows that the best way isn't always the same for everyone. So it doesn't just give you one option. It puts you in complete control. You're in the driver's seat, literally. So when you look at that map, you'll see the bold blue line, right? That's the main suggestion, usually the fastest route. But look a little closer. See those other kind of faded gray lines? Those are your other choices. Maybe one avoids a traffic jam, or another one skips the highway. They're all laid out for you so you can pick the one that's actually best for you. You know, here's a perfect way to think about it. It's basically like asking 3 of your friends for directions. One friend tells you the absolute fastest way, another knows this clever little shortcut, and the third tells you about the scenic route. Well, Google Maps is like all 3 of those friends at once, giving you all the options so you can choose. Okay, so you've totally got the simple A to B trip down. But what about those crazy days, the ones where you're running errands all over creation? Well, let's level up and see how you can plan a bigger trip with a bunch of different stops. The key to this whole thing is one simple but amazing little button: Add Destination. Instead of planning a bunch of separate trips, this lets you chain them all together into one big journey. It turns your map into your own personal logistics manager. It's a game changer. Let's just walk through a quick example. Imagine you need to leave your house, drop your kid off at school, and then hit the grocery store. Instead of planning 3 different drives, you just add each stop, one after the other. And just like that, Google Maps connects all the dots and gives you one single, super efficient route for your whole trip. It's brilliant. So there you have it. From a quick trip across town to a complicated day of errands, you've now got the skills to navigate anywhere with total confidence. The entire world is mapped out for you, right at your fingertips. So there's really only one question left. Now that you're the navigator, where are you going to go next?